Guys, how you doing? This is my pick of an American lock. That's the key. Pretty wicked. And here's the lock. It's brass with a steel shackle. It was my buddy's military lock when he was in the army. It's pretty nasty. It's got some, nearly all of the spools on the top are upper. Our spool. Damn it, my brain is not working today. Serrated pins on the uppers. See if I can get this thing on camera for you guys. Picking on camera is not easy. Ah, and there you have it. I've picked the lock, and as you can see, it's a key retaining lock. The plug won't turn back any further, but put her together, lock her back, and that's the key. Even the key has a problem opening this lock because it has a compressed pin on the number 2. But yeah, as you can see, it is a key retaining lock. It's a pretty wicked little lock, but I've been practicing on it for about 2 weeks now, I think, give or take, since he handed it to me, and I finally picked it. I've been picking it pretty consistently for about 3 days now, so have fun, guys.